Hello students, welcome to PVK chemistry classes. In this video, we are going to discuss organic chemistry, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids of class 12. This lesson is suitable for Tamil Nadu State Board students, CBSE and ISC students. So, what are carbonyl compounds? A divalent group in which a double bond is present between carbon and oxygen. Double bond is present in between carbon and oxygen are called carbonyl group. The compound containing C double bond O group are called as carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds are classified into two categories, aldehydes and ketones. When oxygen is attached to primary carbon atom, the compound is called aldehydes. Oxygen is attached to primary carbon, the compound is called aldehydes. Suppose the oxygen is attached to the secondary carbon, the compound is called ketone. Primary carbon, the compound is called aldehydes. It is represented like this. R C double bond O H. R C double bond O R dash. So this is a primary carbon, this is secondary carbon, oxygen is attached. This is hydrogen, it is primary carbon, oxygen is attached. Oxygen is attached in primary carbon are called aldehydes. Secondary carbon is called ketones. So the general molecular formula for the aldehydes and ketones are CN H2NO. CN H2NO. Aldehydes and ketones shows the same general molecular formula CN H2NO. So now we are going to discuss the IUPAC system of nomenclature of this aldehydes. This IUPAC system of nomenclature you already learned in class 11 itself. Now I for your refreshment once again I repeat all the compounds in a simple manner. Listen, the common name of aldehydes are generally obtained from corresponding carboxylic acid. From the carboxylic acid, the ic acid is replaced by aldehydes. The simplest member formaldehyde and acetaldehyde, CH3, CH2, CHO, propionaldehyde, butaldehyde, isobutaldehyde. How to write the IUPAC name of the compound? From the parent hydrocarbon, the terminal letter E is replaced by Al. Terminal letter E is replaced by Al. So, methanal, ethanal, propanal, butanal. This is isobutaldehyde. In the second carbon, methyl group is present. Therefore, 2-methylpropanal. 2-methylpropanal. So, this carbon number 5, the compound with the carbon number 5, the aldehyde is called as valeraldehyde. The IUPAC name of the compound is 1-pentanol. Isovaleraldehyde, 3-methylbutanal. Here carbon number 1, 2, 3. Third carbon methyl group is attached. Therefore, 3-methylbutanal. And this carbon is another one isomeric form of this valeraldehyde. So beta is a functional group. The alpha methyl butyl, alpha position, the methyl group is attached. Therefore, alpha methyl butyraldehyde, that is 2-methylbutanal. The IUPAC name of the compound is 2-methylbutanal. And aromatic compounds, benzaldehyde, phenyl methanal, phenyl acetaldehyde. Second carbon phenyl group is present. Therefore, 2-phenyl ethanal. 2-phenyl ethanal. And then aliphatic unsaturated aldehyde. First one is acrolein, 2-propenal. This is crotonaldehyde, 2-butenal, 1, 2, 3. In between carbon number 2 and 3, double bond is present, therefore 2-butenal is alpha beta, beta bromobutylaldehyde, 3-bromobutanal. This compound is called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The IUPAC name of the compound is 2. Totally 5 carbon atoms are present, therefore 2-pentenal, 2-pentenal. Cyclohexane carbaldehyde. This compound is called cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Chinnamaldehyde, phenyl group is present, chinnamaldehyde, therefore 3-phenyl, third carbon phenyl group is present, there 3-phenyl prop-2-enal. Carbon number 2, in between carbon number 2 and 3, double bond is present, therefore 3-phenyl prop-2-enal. This is 4-nitrobenzaldehyde. This carbon number 1, this is 4-nitrobenzaldehyde. The IUPAC name of the compound is 4-nitrophenyl carbaldehyde, 4-nitrophenyl carbaldehyde. Look at this compound, it consists of both aldehyde as well as ketone as the functional group. Suppose the aldehyde and ketones may be present in the single compound, which compound is taken as a primary functional group? You take aldehyde as the primary functional group. Therefore, carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The carbon number 3 ketonic group is present. Therefore, 3-oxopentanal, 3-oxopentanal. And this compound, the aromatic compound with 2 aldehyde groups, this compound is called phthalaldehyde, benzene 1,2 dicarbaldehyde, benzene 1,2 dicarbaldehyde. And as another one compound, OHCHO, salicylaldehyde. The name of the compound is salicylaldehyde. So 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde, otherwise known as 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde or 2-hydroxy carbaldehyde, phenyl carbaldehyde, 2-hydroxy phenyl carbaldehyde. So these are the some common and IUPAC name of aldehydes, or common and IUPAC name of aldehyde. So here we discuss aliphatic aldehydes, aromatic aldehydes, aliphatic saturated aldehyde, aliphatic unsaturated aldehyde, aliphatic unsaturated aldehyde. Aliphatic aldehydes, there is the alkyl groups are present. Aromatic aldehydes, aromatic groups are present. Then unsaturated aldehyde, double bonds are present. Phenyl group and double bonds are present, aromatic unsaturated aldehyde. Then we are going to discuss the IUPAC nomenclature of ketones. IUPAC nomenclature of ketones. IUPAC nomenclature of ketones. So we know that the general molecular formula for ketone also CnH2nO, CnH2nO. The first simplest member is acetone. The acetone, otherwise known as dimethyl ketone. Acetone, otherwise known as dimethyl ketone. The IUPAC name of the compound is propanone. From alkane, the terminal letter E is replaced by ONE, alkanone. So here ethyl group, here methyl group, therefore ethyl methyl ketone, butanone. Ethyl group, therefore diethyl ketone. Here functional group is present in the third carbon, 3-pentanone. Methyl N-propyl ketone. Functional group is present in carbon number 2, therefore 2-pentanone. Here one isopropyl group, here another one isopropyl group, Diisopropyl ketone. So 2,4-dimethyl 3-pentanone. Numbering the carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Carbon number 2 and carbon number 4 double bond is present. Therefore, 2,4-dimethyl 3-pentanone. This compound is called mesityle oxide. Mesityle oxide. Numbering the carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4-methyl. Totally 5 carbon atoms. Pent 3-ene 2-one. 3-ene. In between carbon number 3 and 4 double bond is present. 3-ene 2-one. Another one compound boron. Numbering the carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally 7 carbon atom. Second carbon and sixth carbon methyl group is present. Therefore, 2,6-dimethyl kept 2,5-diene boron. The common name is obtained from the name of the compound itself, boron. Fourth carbon oxo group is present. Therefore, boron. And this compound beta-methyl cyclopentanone. The common name of the compound is beta-methyl cyclopentanone. IUPAC name of the compound 1, 2, 3. 3-methyl cyclopentanone. This is pyruvic acid. It consists of pyruvic acid. This formula for pyruvic acid CH3 COOH. COOH, pyruvic acid. Oxopropanoic acid. Oxo, that is 2-oxo. Carbon number 1, 2, 3, pyruvic acid. 2-oxo propanoic acid. CH3 C double bond O CH3. The compound is called diacetyl. IUPAC name of the compound is butane 2,3-dione. 1, 2, 3, 4. Butane 2,3-dione. Parabenzoquinone. Cyclohexane 2,5-diene 1,4-dione. Cyclohexane 2,5-diene 1,4-dione. 2,5-diene 1,4-dione. Acetophenone, phenylethanone. Benzophenone, diphenylmethanone. Ethylphenyl ketone. This is 1-phenyl 1-propanone. 1-phenyl 1-propanone. So these are some compounds, IUPAC nomenclature of some ketones. So from this nomenclature, you must know the two things. First, you should identify the methyl ketones. How to identify the methyl ketones? CH3CO. So methyl group attached with oxo compound, that is called methyl ketone. CH3CO. So whatever may be the compound associated with CH3CO group or CH3CHOH group, these compounds undergoes haloform test. Or simply iodoform test. Haloform or the iodoform test. So methyl ketones identification. And another one is alpha hydrogen atom. How to identify the alpha hydrogen atom? So this is acetaldehyde. This compound is a acetaldehyde. First you see the functional group. Aldehyde CHO is the functional group. The nearest carbon is alpha carbon. Alpha carbon associated with 3 hydrogen atom, that is called alpha hydrogen atoms. Catch CHO. functional group is present. The next one hydrogen atom is present, but there will be no alpha carbon. Here this compound does not having alpha hydrogen atom. So you identify alpha hydrogen atom. The nearest carbon of functional group is called alpha carbon. Alpha carbon associated with hydrogen is called alpha hydrogen atom. So those compounds having alpha hydrogen atom, it undergoes aldol condensation reaction. Those compounds does not having alpha hydrogen atom, it undergoes Cannizzaro reaction. Formaldehyde, benzaldehyde, etc. These are the compounds undergoes Cannizzaro reaction. This type of compound, the compounds having alpha hydrogen atom will answers or undergoes aldol condensation. This will be discussed in later classes. So, I conclude this topic for the IUPAC nomenclature of aldehydes and ketones. You practice very well. This is very important in the case of examination point of view, and also the entrance examination. Just explain, give one compound, you can find out the IUPAC, correct IUPAC structure of the compound. So, thank you for watching this video. Share your friends. Thank you.